This is a typical scene in Bhopal. Look at the dark smoke coming out of the exhaust of this school bus. It's a telling commentary on the maintenance of this bus and enforcement of the law of the land when it comes to the Bhopal traffic police. Vehicular pollution relates to harmful exhaust smoke and other materials into the environment by motor vehicles. These materials, known as pollutants, have several bad effects on human health and the general ecosystem. In India, the Motor Vehicles Act provides for prevention and control of air pollution from automobiles that constitute a major source of pollution everywhere, especially in the congested cities. Carbon monoxide, an odorless, colorless gas, is formed by the combustion of fossil fuels such as petrol and diesel. Cars and trucks are the source of nearly 2/3 of this pollutant.